A shallow magnitude 5.2 earthquake was reported in the evening near Santa Cruz, Zambales, central Luzon, Philippines. According to the United States Geological Survey, the quake hit on Sunday, December 18, 2022, at 9:33 p.m. local time, at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers. Shallow earthquakes are felt more strongly than deeper ones as they are closer to the surface. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, which listed it as a magnitude 4.8 earthquake. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the Incorporated Research Institutions for Seismology, IRIS, at magnitude 5.2, the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, PHIVOLCS, at magnitude 5.0, the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake at magnitude 5.2, and the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, at magnitude 5.2.